Gym guys walk into a calisthenics park and can't do a proper push-up. Calisthenics guys walk into a weight room and struggle with a basic barbell squat. Both groups think the other side is weak. Both groups are wrong. Here's the truth. Weights and calisthenics build strength in completely different ways. And if you're only doing one, you're missing half the picture. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what each method does to your body, where it falls short, and how to actually use both. Because real strength isn't just moving heavy weight or doing fancy skills. It's being strong everywhere, not just in one narrow context. Let's get into it. Weights are simple. Add a plate, do a rep. Add another plate, do another rep. Progress is measurable, linear, satisfying. The numbers go up, you feel stronger. Done. Calisthenics? Different game entirely. You overload by changing angles, hand position, tempo. Move your hands forward on a push-up, and suddenly your shoulders and core are screaming. No plates. Just physics deciding to ruin your day. Look, here's the thing. Weights make you stronger at moving objects. Calisthenics makes you stronger at moving yourself. That's why the guy benching 225 collapses trying decline push-ups. His nervous system only knows how to push when there's a barbell in his hands. Without external weight, his body doesn't know what to do. Two completely different skills. Weights isolate. You want bigger lats? Row heavy. Bigger chest? Bench more. You can laser focus tension exactly where you want it. If you're chasing size, weights win that race every time. Calisthenics, everything's compound. A body row isn't just back work. Your core's bracing, your grip's dying, your shoulders are stabilizing. You can't isolate even if you try. Your whole body has to work as one unit, or you're just hanging there like a broken pull-up bar. Look, here's why this matters. Calisthenics builds your foundation through movements that force coordination. Muscles learn to fire together, not solo. Once you have that base, that real connected strength, then you can use weights for isolation. Target the weak spots, build specific muscles that need more size. But skipping foundation work for isolation, you'll build muscle that looks good in photos, but falls apart in real movement. Just like gym bros with huge arms who can't do proper push-ups without their elbows chicken winging out. Start compound with calisthenics. Add isolation with weights. Don't reverse the order and wonder why you're weak. Compound movements aren't just push-ups and pull-ups. There's another full-body tool most people overlook. Jump rope. But not the elementary school version. I'm talking about weighted jump ropes from Crossrope. Here's why this matters. Jumping rope builds cardio, coordination, and conditioning all at once. Add weight to the rope, and suddenly your shoulders, grip, and core are working too. It's a full-body compound movement you can do anywhere. Crossrope system lets you swap rope weights with a fast clip mechanism. Light ropes for endurance, heavy ropes for strength. Same handles. It's like progressive overload, but for cardio. If space is tight, or you're in an apartment, they have a ropeless version. Same workout, no tripping, no noise complaints from neighbors. They also have the AMP Brace that tracks your jumps and syncs with their app for guided workouts and challenges. So you're not just winging it, you're following structured programs, 60-day guarantee. Links in the description. All right, let's keep going. Next up, how weights and calisthenics build different types of strength. Weights build raw power. A heavy squat forces maximum output. You push hard, brace tight, move serious weight. That power is real. It shows up when you sprint, jump, pick up heavy stuff. Undeniable. Calisthenics builds control. A pistol squat demands everything. Ankle mobility, knee tracking, hip hinge, core stability. One piece missing and you're on the floor. It's not about force, it's about precision. And honestly, they feed each other. The power lifter who adds pistol squats finds his barbell depth improves because his ankles and stability caught up. The calisthenics guy who adds heavy squats finds pistols feel easier because he built actual leg strength. They complete each other. But, and this matters, you need control first. Power without control is just strength waiting to snap something. Build a foundation with calisthenics, then pile on the weight, not the other way around. This is where most people screw up, and they don't realize it until their shoulders toast at 45. Calisthenics protects your joints by default. You're moving through natural ranges with your own body weight. Your joints, tendons, ligaments, they all adapt slowly, safely. And here's the key part. If you try to push beyond what your body can handle, you literally can't. There's no way to brute force it. Your shoulder won't let you hold a planche if it's not ready. Your body stops you before you break. That's why 60-year-old calisthenics guys still move clean. Weights? Higher margin for error. Load a barbell wrong, and your joints pay immediately. Add ego, add fatigue, skip your warm-up for a 2-minute TikTok scroll. Your body will send you a reminder for weeks. I'm not saying weights are dangerous if you're disciplined, but when the weight goes banana heavy and your form slips, your joints don't get a vote. They just take the damage. Here's what people miss. Calisthenics forces you to respect limits. Your body gives instant feedback. Weights let you override those signals until something snaps. If you want to train hard into your 60s and 70s without falling apart, you need the joint awareness calisthenics builds. It's not optional. It's the thing that lets you lift heavy without breaking down. So what do you actually do? Everyone starts with calisthenics. Non-negotiable. Build joint health, body control, coordination first. You can train anywhere. Park, bedroom, rooftop, doesn't matter. Gravity doesn't charge membership fees or close at 9 p.m. Master push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, core work. Yeah, I know some of you think you're too advanced for basic push-ups. You're not. If you can't do 30 clean reps with full range of motion, you're skipping fundamentals. Then add weights as a tool. Once you've got that body weight base, weights become incredibly useful. Target weak links. Build mass faster. Develop power that body weight takes years to unlock. Want bigger legs? Add heavy squats, thicker back, deadlift. And look, some people think body weight is for people who can't afford a gym. Wrong. It's for people who want joints that work past 50. The other side? Calisthenics purists who act like touching a dumbbell ruins their functional strength. Also wrong. Both are just excuses to stay comfortable. Calisthenics builds inside out. Joints, tendons, control, then muscle. Weights build outside in. Muscle first, structure later. Reverse the order and you get big muscles on unstable joints. Use calisthenics daily. That's your baseline. Add weights for targeted growth. The order matters. Calisthenics first, weights second. Don't be the guy benching 225 who can't do proper push-ups. Don't be the guy doing 20 pull-ups who refuses weights because of pride or tribal identity. Master your body weight. Then add weights to fill the gaps. That's complete